Guys, it's El Magnifico here again. Today I would like to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on the Binance exchange. Let's get into the video. Okay, for those of you that do not yet have the Binance app on their phone, all you need to do is just to go over to the Google Play Store. Now, when you're on the Google Play Store, all you need to do is to search for Binance. You search for Binance. Okay, this is the search bar. Binance. This is the app, guys, and for me, I've already downloaded it. So if you have not downloaded yours, just go ahead and click on the install button. It should be right here where the update button is. Now after that, you just open the app. Now for those of you that have not used the app before, just take your time to go around the app. Just go through the app, check the features to know how this app can serve you better. Okay, here we are on the app, guys. So you head over to trades here, click on the trades button. Now after that, you click on P2P. Here it is at the top. You click on P2P. Here we are, guys. Wow, the rate is quite high today. Yesterday it was around 710, 713. Okay, notwithstanding, guys, we'll still go ahead and buy it. So here it is, guys. You can buy many cryptocurrencies. You can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, and the likes. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to buy USDT. Okay, guys, click on this filter button here to impute the amount of USDT you want to buy, the Naira equivalent. I will buy 5,000 Naira worth of USDT. Now it has filtered. Here are merchants that are willing to sell 5,000 Naira worth of USDT to me. Now, when you scroll, you check the stats. You check their stats, guys. Look at it. 98.99% completion rate. 99 completion rate. This first one is okay because his rate is better. So I will go with this first person. You try to avoid those that have bad ratings. So I'll click on buy. Okay. I will go back, then I'll update. I will refresh. Wow, I've gotten a better rate. So I'll click on buy again. Now I will input the amount of USDT I want to buy, the Naira equivalent, 5,000 Naira. Now, guys, I will get 6.67 USDT for 5,000 Naira. That is okay for me. I will click on buy with zero fee. Now, another important thing that you should take note of is you should try to read the terms of the seller. I am online. Go ahead and pay. Please, no crypto related words in description. No third party account. Pay from the account name on Binance. Thanks for trading with me, my friend. I appreciate you. That's that. We click on make payment. Now, this is the information we need to pay to this person. Emmanuel Koro, bank account number. Here it is. Bank name OP. Okay, I'll just copy the bank account number. Then I'll head over to my banking app to complete the payment. Okay, it's loading. Here am I on my banking app. Okay, and I'm about to initiate the transfer so that I will send the sender his money and I also receive my crypto. OPay Bank, that's Paycom. Let me try the other one so that I will not make any mistake. Okay, it is not there, so I'll just go with OPay. Click on it. Now the beneficiary account number, the number I copied. We'll wait for the name to come up here. Remember the name is Emmanuel Okoro. Okay, here it is, Emmanuel Ogichiku Okoro. So it's fine, we can proceed with the payment. Amount 5,000 naira. And I proceed with the payment. Pay. Guys, I post a video so that I could insert my password. Here it is, guys, it's successful. So I will go back to the app to notify the seller that I have sent his money. I'm back on the app, guys. We head over to trades again. P2P. Now here it is, pending payment. Okay, guys, you just click on this button, this one at the far right. It will show you all pending transactions, all transactions you have started and you have not completed. I've already clicked on this button, so I'll just click on it again and I will click on this button, transfer notified seller. Now I have completed payment. What is left is for the seller to confirm payment on his own end and then release crypto to me. Okay, guys, the seller has released the crypto. He has confirmed payment and he has released the crypto. It didn't take much time, so I will rate him positively. Now it was positive. I'll just write something like okay, here are some suggestions. Fast transaction. So guys, that's how you buy crypto on the Binance exchange. It's not much hassle. Just follow simple procedures and boom, you have your crypto. So don't be scared of P2P. Head over to Binance and get your own crypto. Don't be left out in the crypto revolution. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and also smash the like button to get more updates from me. I am El Magnifico. See you in the next video.